Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to report a TikTok account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, easily what we're going to do, we'll go and open our TikTok app over here as you can see. And now from here we have multiple options in TikTok accounts, and so we're going to choose the account that we would like to report. For example, we'd like to report this account. And so we're going to click on the picture over here of the account itself. And so whenever we open the account, as you can see over here up to the right corner, we're going to click on this button. All right. And so here we have multiple options. But lastly, as you can see down below here, we have from the right to the left, send message, block, QR code, and report. And so we're going to click on report over here. And now we'll be directed to this page. So we have report content or report account. So click on report account itself. In here, we have multiple options and reasons for the report reason. For example, user could be under 13 years old or found in scams and so on and so forth. You can choose any reason of these. So for example, if I choose in this one, here it says that user could be under 13, so we do not allow the following. Users who are too young to be on TikTok are not allowed to use the app. And so whenever I click on submit, a report will be submitted successfully. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.